Got another one that was just posted. This is your mileage may vary. It is available in almost every store. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more 2 deals, price glitches. All right, so this is the clearest item. Again, your mileage may vary, but there's a very high probability that you're gonna get this because there's a lot in my area, and I'm sure there's gonna be a lot in your area as well. So this is a Greenworks 1800 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer. This is enough to wash your vehicle, to wash your driveway, a small area, or actually a medium sized job. Basically, not a large job, but it should have enough pressure to clean your wheels and pretty much all you need to do on your vehicle. So this is the Greenworks 1800 psi, 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer with 2 straight tips. It does have 4.4 stars, so you guys know this is a quality item. At $59, guys, that's a killer deal. Again, your mileage may vary. Run and get these before they sell out. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. It might be on the YouTube shopping cart. It might be just a regular link. Whatever I can find, I'll leave it down there for you guys. If I find anything else, I will leave it down there as well. So anyways, that's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.